Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Zubair IELTS. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic which is advanced vocabulary for IELTS, and we are going to master these words for IELTS higher band score. So let's get started. Number 1 is ubiquitous. Its meaning is present, appearing or found everywhere. For example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Ephemeral. Its meaning is lasting for a very short time. For example, fame in the age of social media is often ephemeral. Loquacious. Its meaning is tending to talk a great deal or talkative. For example, she was loquacious and rarely ran out of stories. Quintessential. Its meaning is representing the most perfect example of something. For example, he is the quintessential gentleman. Recalcitrant. Its meaning is having an obstinately uncooperative attitude. For example, the recalcitrant student refused to follow the rules. Psychopath. A person who acts obsequiously towards someone important to gain advantage. For example, he surrounded himself with psychopaths who never challenged him. Ineffable. Too great or extreme to be expressed in words. For example, the beauty of the sunset was ineffable. Pernicious. Having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual way. The pernicious influence of fake news is alarming. Vociferous. Expressing opinions loudly and forcefully. There was a vociferous crowd protesting outside. Assiduous. Showing a great care and perseverance. For example, she was assiduous in her research for the thesis. Bellicose. Demonstrating aggression and willingness to fight. For example, his bellicose attitude caused many conflicts. Demure. Reserved, modest and shy. For example, she gave him a demure smile. Erudite. Having or showing great knowledge. The professor was known for his erudite lectures. Intransigent. Unwilling to change one's views or to agree. For example, they remain intransigent in their demands. Munificent. Very generous. For example, the donation from the billionaire was munificent. Nonplussed. Surprised and confused so much that one is unsure how to react. For example, she was nonplussed by the sudden announcement. Ostentatious. Characterized by vulgar or pretentious display. For example, his mansion was filled with ostentatious decorations. Sagacious. Having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment. For example, her good sagacious decisions helped the company. Vicissitude. A change of circumstances or fortune, typically unwelcome or unpleasant. For example, he endured the vicissitudes of life with dignity. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and please subscribe for more IELTS tips.